This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making Assam prawns or prawns in tamarind sauce. I have here 400 grams of prawns. Cut off the front sharp part of the prawns with a scissors. Now insert the scissors between the head and the body and cut along the top. Use a knife to cut about halfway through the meat and remove the veins. Let's prepare the Assam, or also known as tamarind. It comes in a block like this. You can also buy ready prepared Assam paste. Mix 4 tablespoons of Assam with 150 ml of water. Massage the Assam to separate the pulp from the seeds. Sieve the mixture to remove the sediment from the liquid. We will only be using the liquid here. For the aromatics, chop up 3 cloves of garlic, one medium onion, one medium-sized chili, leave the seeds in the chili if you prefer your Assam to be spicier. In a pan, heat up 1 tablespoon of oil over a medium heat. Fry the garlic and onions. Then add in the chili. Next, add in the prawns. Stir fry the prawns for 1 to 2 minutes till the prawns are about half cooked and turning pink. Then, add the Assam, one teaspoon of oyster sauce and half a teaspoon of sugar. Cook this for 2 minutes till most of the asam has evaporated and the gravy has thickened. This is Assam prawns or prawns in tamarind sauce.